wave. Wave to the camera. Little Alfie. Dangerous Dave. Alan. Tony. No, I'm not. There he goes. Mr. Gant. Flying his high. There he goes. Just give us a display, Tony. I'm glad I moved my car. Where you're flying. Closer. That's it. Do a bit of a roll. Or a loop. That's the boy. That's good, that is, Tony.
Very lively plane.
Well, yeah.
You haven't got a lightweight plane.
No.
You buy one of these.
This lot never stop bloody talking. Look at them. They're like bloody washer women.
Or did they all go?
They're like bloody washer women. Look at them. That's one that hasn't come out for a long time. Right. Combat with Tony now. Come on, John. That's a bloody good idea. Whoa, Tony, look, he's getting competitive now. Come on, get after him, John, on his tail. That was funny, that was, Tony, then. As soon as he comes, you start showing off.
I didn't know, just got some speed up.
Go on, get some bloody speed up, that's how you're supposed to fly it.
When you've not got the running commentary, it's a lot easier.
Oh, you should, man, if you tell us how skilled you are, you should be able to overcome all the running commentary and everything.
Shifted, John.
A little bit, I think. To the right a bit, I'd say. Whoa! Dangerous flying! Closer! Lower!
And again, Tony. You were right in between the pair.
Do it again! Come on!
There's plenty of height.
This time you try it, John, because you're better at bringing it in than me.
Yeah, that's the only thing, isn't it? Don't catch Alan's. Bloody hell, yeah, no mistake and catch Alan's.
I didn't go far enough, I can see my mistake.
Yeah, you got to track along here. He's going to do it. Here we go. That's going too fast, that is. That's too fast. What's this? Try and catch. Come on then, I'll. Oh, BMFA rules! Listen to him bloody laugh. Is he going to do it? He is. This is it. Whoa! Smile for the camera. Well done. You did well there. You're going to do that now, Alan.